Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the screensaver function in Lively Wallpaper. So screensavers used to be a big deal back then when you had to protect your monitors from excessive burn-in. So they're a bit less common nowadays and are seen as more of a personal thing, a personalization. So the first step, the main Lively Wallpaper screen, and click on the settings icon in the top right. So here you're going to navigate to the screensaver tab. And if it's your first time setting it up, there should be a yellow notification here and a clickable link. If you click that link, it should open your browser onto this page. So once here, all you have to do is scroll down and click on the highlighted file to download it. I've already downloaded it, so I won't do so. And it should show up. So navigate to the file that you just downloaded, open it, and then copy this file into your C drive and then Windows folder and then paste it here. So I've already done so, so it's already here. I won't do it again, but I'm just going to search Lively. And then once you see the file, right click on it and then click on install. Once it finishes, it should show you a small screen that I'm going to bring up now here. So this is what it should look like when you have it installed properly. So now you can set Lively as your wallpaper, and then you can set your wait time to how many minutes before it starts. Let's say 5 minutes before I want it to apply. And I'll give you a quick look on to how it looks by clicking preview. So it doesn't actually show. Okay. So that's how you can set Lively as your screensaver. Lively Wallpaper as your screensaver. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.